Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving deep into an essential Stoic lesson from Epictetus, reminding us where our true control lies and how we can maintain genuine inner peace, even amidst life's chaos. Let's dive in. Picture this. You're in the middle of a bustling marketplace, surrounded by noise and movement, decisions to be made, and demands from all sides. It can be overwhelming, right? Epictetus offers us a way to navigate this with serenity. He says, if a person takes caution into the realm where free will and actions of free will lie, then at once, along with the desire to be cautious, his avoidance will be under his own control. So what does this mean for us? Well, Epictetus reminds us that our stability hinges on recognizing the boundary between what's within our control and what's not. When we focus on our own actions and judgments, elements fully within our domain, we stay grounded. But when we attempt to control external events or others' actions, we set ourselves up for needless anxiety and instability, because let's face it, those areas are beyond our grasp. Imagine trying to control the weather. No matter how much you wish for a sunny day, the outcome is entirely independent of your hopes. It's the same with people's actions or external circumstances. When we tether our peace to these uncontrollable factors, we're essentially handing over our tranquility to something we can't influence. Epictetus warns us, if it is directed to where things are beyond our control and not dependent on free will, since his avoidance will be related to what depends on others, he will inevitably be in fear, instability, and confusion. Now, consider a different picture. A Stoic walking through that same marketplace, calm and composed. The Stoic doesn't attempt to control the marketplace's chaos. Instead, they focus on their reactions and choices, maintaining a serene mind amidst the noise. They understand that while they can't control the hustle and bustle, they can control their response to it. Let's bring this closer to modern life. Think about your work environment. Perhaps you're at your office, a bustling co-working space, or even working from home with constant interruptions. We often face unexpected demands, tight deadlines, and challenging interactions. We might not control these external factors, but we do control our reaction. For instance, instead of reacting with frustration to a sudden deadline, you could choose to take a deep breath, refocus, and tackle the task methodically. This shift in perspective can significantly reduce your stress and foster a sense of inner calm. Epictetus teaches us that the secret to tranquility lies in our internal judgments, in choosing how we perceive and react to the world. Instead of trying to micromanage every external element, we should cultivate control over our internal responses. This approach demands self-discipline, a core tenet of Stoic philosophy, but it rewards us with a stable and resilient mindset. Remember, the Stoics were not isolated monks on a serene mountain, but active participants in society. They were senators, soldiers, artisans, and merchants. Their teachings encourage us to engage fully in life while maintaining an inner calm. This is beautifully captured in Epictetus's reminder that it's our choices and judgments, our own free will, that lead to serenity. I challenge you today to practice this principle. Observe a situation where you commonly lose your tranquility. Next time it occurs, pause and remind yourself, my peace is within my control. Face the situation with this mindset and witness the difference. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Stoic wisdom. If you found this lesson enlightening, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Keep practicing Stoicism in your daily life, and watch as you build resilience and find peace amidst the world's chaos. Until next time, stay resilient and keep thriving, friends.